Greeting, Mark Bernier. I can see we have an Excel sheet right here. We have the month and we have the order. So we want to look at the percentage right here. And we're going to get the percentage. All right. Normally we don't have a click and type P, but you're going to do it a different way. First, we want to block everything like this. Notice when I block everything like this, you notice is a little box up here right here. We're going to click on it. All right. When you click on it, you're going to click on total right here. When you click on total, if you notice this little scroll bar right here, when you click on that scroll bar, what you will see, this is percentage right here. You're going to click on it, and there you go. And this is how it give you the percentage right here. Very important right here. Let me do that again, so they can have a better look, right? Block everything like that. When you block it, you notice this little box come up right here. You click on it, and then you're going to click right here, total. When you click total, you notice this little side box right here, like a scroll bar. You're going to click on it. All right, and this is a percentage total. You click on that, and there you go. And this is where you actually add a percentage right here in Excel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.